channel. Rufrin, very much appreciated your sticking around. Thank you so much. Lalabs, host mo. O sinabi sa house, maraming salamat to wine. Thank you so much. Sunday, hello from Eva Cinciano. The one, dito pa rin ako sa ride mo. Tapos may harang ito sigurado. Dito naman tayo kay Marisol Mix TV. Kanyang aquarium. Dito ko Marisol ha, I was saw your video. Ang ganda ng aquarium kaya. Nakaka-relax yan. I love aquarium. Mga fish tanks. I love that. I'm trying to get one. I've already got the tank, but I haven't organized it yet. I haven't got a fish ever. I still got the tank. But I am going to get that thing done. Love fish tanks talaga. Ang sarap ng nakaka-relax kasi yan panturin ang mga fish tanks or aquariums. Good morning po from Pizza Circle Sunny Calma. Like 119 for KTV. Oh my God, Mirasol. Mirasol, number 1. Wow, congratulations, Mirasol. Sabi mo na ang pagbalikan. Sabi mo Marisol. Thank you, Marisol. Always welcome. Okay, lalab. Basta mamaya nalalab sa ating ginawa. Thank you, Sis Lilibet from Marisol. Number 2 crown. KTV on your channel. I'm gonna be in my live very, very soon. 13 days ago, KTV, I am on your, what is this, the papaya? Oh, yummy. Oh, it looks like a papaya fruit to me. Alright. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Yes. Mirandol, you got it, Yahoo. Pink Beauty, thank you so much. Crispy, thank you so much for coming back, ha, Crispy. I'm thinking kaliha, ha. Align Choi, right? Miga-miga lang siya doon, Align. Thank you so much, Align. Number 1 na naman si Pring Dooy. Thank you so much. Thank you for Pring. Nandito si sana ba? Si Sally D. Maraming salamat si Sally D, ha. Miss Rosmar, thank you all. Si Sally D, bago ako umalis, I'll go to your channel, bago ako mag-live. But even though naka-enlive ako, guys, I will watch your video, okay? And also with Align Choi. Hello, host, sa lahat. I will go to your channel, Align. OTW to you, ha. Lorindo, bababa kita, ha. Baka mamaya magkalimutan. Ibababa kita maya-maya. Alan Choi on your channel too, okay? Upcoming, guys.